namin
Pang ano? Oh. Hindi mo naman. Naghahanap ako, paano ko babagayan niya?
Sige, naman dito labas.
Special machine na ito. Dito may special machine din dito sa waistband. Dito meron din special machine dito. Ayan, special.
Oh, diba? Kakahiwa talaga.
Halo siya sa mga staff na trip ko lang. Yeah, check na lang. Start ko.
Price here starts at 500.
So, pinakita kayo 800. Before 110. Check lang kayo. Hats.
Alam mo, muntik na rin ako mapabili din kay Denim Dealer.
Ganda. Kasi yung ganyang fitting, it's either kasha sa tao, hindi.
Na ang rare net ng fit
Minsan,
na ito.
maganda yung length, pero yung arm length, pangit. So yun, pasok.
Yung sleeve line niya super sakto lang.
Yeah, tapos nalalaki yan.
Elongated. 15. Sexy niya. Ay ko.
Gagi yung bumili nga sa akin.
Kulubot chain. Na
Yung
rough.
bumili sa akin. Chinat niya talaga si Drew para sabihin niya naunahan ko siya. Naunahan niya ako. Basta pinagmalaki niya na nakuha ko yung ano. Nakuha niya yung buwili sa akin ng 400.
Gusto nga pala ni Drew yun, no?
350 lang.
Ang ganda ng belt mo. Ito yung matagal mo ng belt na yun, no?
Stussy belt.
Stussy.
Tagal na.
Tanga na, naubos kasi yung blanks ko eh, puta.
Wala akong
Mabanda yan, bali yan. Stock yan. Bait yan.
Orange Catty.
Pero,
Orange car.
sinado.
Nag-fade na yung... May nag-contrast na yung stitch niya. Ganda. Box din daw eh. Saan?
Oh shit. Ah, ito ang inaharap ko man. Ma.
Sakto ah. Come on.
Yun, capital.
Out.
Shopee.
Bro.
It's good enough. Pero alam ko saan shop yan.
Oo.
Gogi.
Tangina mo, alam mo naman lahat eh.
Pumasok ko na yun.
Thank you, yeah.
Thank you. Salamat.
Ingat ya.
This one. Makatapos lang ng New York, tapos ito namang 80s, 90s military Korean boots. Super cook na yan. Ayun, makita niyo yung leather. Ayun, pinakita ko na yata to sa video ko. Sa first vlog natin. Pero ayun. Gawan ko lang siya ng content. Siyempre, palaganapin natin. Palaganapin? What's the word? Basta yun, yeah. Yung ganitong mga condition na okay siya sa hotel. And then, maganda siya style. Isip lang tayo ng fit. Tignan mo yung damit natin. Oh. Pro black. What the fuck? Isip tayo ng fit. Ano pwede? Let's see. I think this will be nice. Yung pinaka first sample natin. Pinaka cook. I think this will be nice. And then the t-shirt I'm wearing. Tanggalan natin yung hoodie natin. This t-shirt. Oh yeah. Shit. There one. I think this tee is okay na. Okay na tong t-shirt na to. And then deteriorated yan. Ay, so, ayan. Yung napili nating brands. This shirt na baka i-release ko. Ewan. Nagsinipag. Medyo lang. Pero yan. Belt. Everyday belt. From Crash Gyms ulit. He said this was Yoji hair. So, fuck with this. And then, sa outerwear natin will be this. They call this jacket. Ewan. Pero parang, yung tag niya parang, from 90s yung design. Super bigat na jacket. Parang siyang canvas. I don't know kung ilang ounce ng denim or canvas to, pero yeah, the shit is the shit. Ayan, so, ayun diba? T-shirt ko, simple lang. So parang if gusto ko, ayaw ko ng print, pwede ko siya baliktarin. I think okay din yun. Hindi mo naman kailangan bumili ng maraming damit eh. Parang if you fuck with sustainability naman talaga, diba? Parang don't need a lot of clothes. You just have to pick the right ones. Parang, diba? Pants, kahit saan bagay. Sneakers, lahat yan cover yung shoe. And that's the way I like it siguro. Tignan mo, sira na nga yun, pero I've been wearing it. Parang, yan. So this is the fit. Diba? Simple lang.
Bawal daw.
Wala siyang padding.
Sakto pa, bilhin mo na.
Yung large nila, crop pa eh. Meron pa. Alam ko may pins.
Hindi, meron.
Dito banda yung foot mo last time.
Ayan, ang ganda niyan.
Mga kay Kuya Kim.
Salvage.
Diba?
Baka bentahan ko na naman siya. Tag na naman ako.
Kaya na ganyan yung kulay.
Ano ka? Magkano? Ang pag salvage, tignan mo.
Salvage natin.
Imulmul din, no? Parang
Ang sunrise.
ganyan yata talaga eh. Ito, ilang ounce kaya ito? Pwede ko pa parang.
Ito maganda.
Okay naman, oh shit, mate. God damn.
Order brother.
I-check.
Nabenta ko yun. Oo nga, nakita ko na dito yung
Dito si Cardi, oh.
Pogi, ano yan?
Parang sex shop, hindi ah.
Ay, adult shop nga.
Parang yung pinuntahan ko sa Australia.
Oo.
Doon siya nagpa-print ng t-shirt na ano.
Kung ka sa adult shop
Yung
nagpa-print.
fan.
Oh, yung kan.
Oo, doon. Sabi ko
Kagutawan ng dawa ng mga Australiano. Kasi mura sa kanila yun eh.
Kaya yung mga
Dito sa may gilid.
Ito ba yung
Saan ba tayo
sabi
tumakas?
ka sa Australia? Yung kung ano-anong mga yung mga normal lang sa kanila.
Ano man, parang nandun kami sa seaside. So nag-fishing kami. May nakita kami mga maliliit na ahas, gano'n. Pero hindi yata harmful yung mga gano'n.
Pero normal sa'yo makakita ng ahas.
Mga palaka, gano'n. Kangaroo. Parang maganda pumunta doon pagpahinga ka naman. Kasi sobrang tahimik.
Sa crotch, okay na rin tayo, Meg. Sa crotch, okay na rin tayo.
Dagdag siguro.
Sumigod tayo.
Mas malaki na yung ano yan. Kahit siguro 12.
Half. Kunti lang naman din ang ginagawa.
Alright. So ngayon meron tayong pickups. Konti lang. Mga nakuha ko sa past event, sa GOD, sa season pass, and then mga naukay ko. And then, yeah, so without further ado, let's start. So first one is this Mad Life bootcut jeans. I think they're from Japan. They have this like spider embroidery or like web spider embroidery right here, and then skull on their buttons, and then big rivets, reinforcements, and then belief and efforts print on the back. I think this one is lasered. This one fits very nice to me. Like there. It's a little crazy pants na something you can wear every day. Medyo loud siya, but like if you wear it with like black or something, I think it will be nice. And then next one is this. Switch tayo sa boots. This Guidis. Correct me if I'm wrong. It's 788Z. Horse leather back zip Guidis. I got them for like very low. No, not like low. And like this is a bad purchase, to be honest, kasi this was size 39 and like my size was size 41 to 42, and tangin na super mali ko kasi I'm not familiar with the Euro sizing, and then super excited I bought it immediately. Kaya ayun, I hope it sells na lang. I got them resold. Yan. Nakabili ako ng Guidi sole, Vibram Guidi sole. And I also conditioned them na. Yeah. Super ganda ng condition niya. These are burgundy, by the way. And any out there na looking for Guidis for size 39 euro, I think it's size 8 sa women's. These are perfect. I can sell it to you very low if you want. Yeah, nothing crazy about it. These were my size. I'll definitely keep them. But like, yeah, super sayang lang. Hindi ko muna ni-research kasi na these are very small kasi. Yeah. Next one is this t-shirt that I got from Good Old Days 5. This Batman 1990s. I think it's 1992. Yeah, it says here 1992. And yeah, vintage, single stitch as well. Faded, has some paint splatters na minimal lang. And faded print, yeah, just how I like it. And ito yung tag niya. Fits very oversized, so I'm gonna sell it. So abangan nyo na lang sa shop ko. These are very sick if you're a fan of Batman. Next one is this army shirt. These are vintage as well. These are single stitch, of course, and fits oversized as well. These are the tags. They got faded na rin. Yeah. Fits very nice. Okay siya pang chill lang. So next one is this Christian Dior. We should all be feminist print shirt. And it has this tag over here na nakaprint sa loob. And same as well sa front niya. And this goes like 55k on their retail, and I'm gonna sell it for low. These are like cream, and I also searched them up. This is legit, and I'm like, I got this from the Okay lang, so super sakto, super jackpot. And yeah, this is size small, and yeah, very sick shirt. Let me know if you want it. There you go. So back tayo sa bottoms. We have this Margiela. There you go. Margiela reconstructed jeans. Yung sa pockets niya behind, they're faded and reconstructed, and like ginawa nila na parang hindi siya pantay, so you can see na repaired siya. And with this one, parang yung seam sa loob nilabas nila, and then they have this seam in the middle of the pants para lang makita mo na parang reconstructed talaga siya. And then yung pockets niya are very small lang, parang yung pocket coin size, regular pocket coin size is ginawang very ka-size lang ng pocket niya. And then yeah, tags, the tags at the back, kita siya. And then yeah, nothing crazy about this one, but like you can wear it every day rin, parang just like you're wearing Margiela. This hoodie, Spitfire, this one is I think this was from early 2000s, correct me if I'm wrong. These are faded, has crack pins here, and very regular fit lang, but like super sick graphic, and pati yung cracks na I fuck with it. And then it has this tag here, this live to burn tag pag upside down, and yeah, no back hits. Very sick plain hoodie, and I really fuck with it. Next one is this faded jacket. Actually, hindi siya ganito ka faded when I first got them, pero nung nilaban ko and then parang naiwan ko sa arawan, like dito sa labas lang, na fade yung likod niya. Then sabi ko, why not fade it all na lang. So ayan, finade ko pati yung harap. So makikita niyo yung original color niya, quite faded na, but this is the newer fade dito. And then so yeah, maganda yung kinalabasan, para siya naging helmet lang, something has re-zips, and then medyo thick yung lining, but like not too hot. Says Blue Label, Japanese brand. Yeah, very sick hoodie. Next is this, I think these are 70s, 80s denim tracker jacket. I don't know what type of number tracker jacket this is, but this is very sick. I got this from Season Pass. Shout out to them. And yeah, I got them for a good price. And I really fuck with this one. Even if they're long sa length niya. And pati yung sa ribbings niya, I really fuck with that. You see the ribbings here. Distressed na siya. So, maganda yung details niya around here. Yeah. And buttons yung gamit natin. This one, this leather jacket. So, I got this leather jacket from my friend. And actually, nakuha ko na to dati. And binenta niya lang sa akin ng mas mura. And ito yung sabi ko, why not? Why not sell them again? Since this is a sick jacket. So yeah, regular riding jacket. Very thick leather. And it has these snap buttons behind. These are like belts. And then thick YKK. Oh, it's YBS. I mean, zippers. And then yeah, very sick jacket. Very thick. Very swaggy. This Yamaha racing jacket. I got this as well from Season Pass. Nung nasa QC ako. I got this for like very high price. But yung price niya is parang pwede pa mabenta. Sabi ko, why not get it? Since I can maybe sell them. And parang nag-risk na lang ako. And yeah, this is a sick jacket. It reminds me of that Yoji leather jacket or that Margiela jacket na parang, alam niyo may print sa likod, yung white something na ginaya ng off-white. Pero yung sa Margiela white lang yung nakalagay, something like that. So yeah, ito yung likod niya. Very thick leather. I don't know what type of leather this is. And then YKK zips. These are vintage as well. So very win-win. And it has no padding. Pero heavy pa rin siya. Fits very nice on me as well. So I also have this Vivienne Westwood pocket chain portable ashtray. And then I don't really smoke. So I'm planning to sell them for 5,000 Philippine peso, or like $100 in USD. And the only issue here is wala yung nakalagay sa loob, pati replace na yung pinaka-chain niya here. This is supposed to be like tale something, but I think mas okay if ito yung nakalagay. And Too Fast to Live, Too Young to Die, and then Vivienne Westwood right here, very sick one. Yeah, so hit me up if you want. So next is this number 9 shirt. Faded number 9 shirt na blank lang, and nothing crazy about this one. I just got them kasi they're number 9, and ito yung tag niya, simple lang, and I really fuck with this. And dito sa may neck niya meron siyang musical note print over there. And yeah, just a simple basic boxy faded blank from number 9. And if you want to wear them, maybe you can wear them inside out just to show the tag, just to let them know you're wearing number 9. Yeah, there you go. If you want to buy them from me, you can message me directly, but I'm gonna post them sa shop then soon. Yeah.